Hey everybody, this is Mark with @Tech, and in this video I'm going to check out what might possibly be the most ultimate all-in-one lavalier microphone. This is from Maono, and this is a microphone that works on both a smartphone and a camera and a computer and an audio recorder and pretty much anything else you would want to plug this thing into. It's pretty versatile, so let's check it out. So first off, how does it sound? Well, this video is going to be recorded with this microphone. In fact, it already is. What you're hearing right now and what you're going to hear for the entire video is being recorded using this microphone. Now it is going directly into the Sony a6300 for audio. It's not wirelessly transmitted or anything. So it's going directly into the camera, and you can be the judge of how it sounds. Now the main selling feature of this microphone is that it goes into any input source. The thing that I really liked is that you can go into a smartphone. Attached about 3/4 of the way up the cable is a little battery pack. It has an on and off switch. When off, it is passive, and that means that it is going to work with your smartphone. It doesn't need any battery power. It just plugs right in and it works. You can record in voice memos or even in the camera app when you're recording a video. It also works powered off into the MacBook Pro. You just plug it right in and it starts working right away as an external microphone. So you don't need any power at all for that. If you want to use this with an audio recorder or a camera, you do need to flip that switch on to active mode. This does require a battery, however they include 2 of them, which is pretty nice. Even with plug-in power enabled on my camera and my Zoom H5, it does not work until you turn on this little pack right here. So you might think that it could work with plug-in power, but apparently it doesn't. The fact that this microphone does include its very own power source means that it can pretty much be used anywhere on anything. If we throw it on this microphone pack right here, this wireless transmitter, it doesn't work without the power. And many microphones do not work if they don't power themselves, but this does, so you can use it with this pack. You can really use this anywhere on anything. It's an incredibly versatile microphone that you need to have in your filmmaking kit. Obviously, they do not want you to use this with a wireless pack because it has a stupid long cable, like 15-20 feet. It's super long and it's kind of crazy. The camera's on the whole opposite side of the room right now, and I still got all of the slack in the cable, so it's pretty cool. The cable itself is fairly nice. It is very thin. Doesn't seem too fragile though, and it rolls up and folds pretty nicely as well. The battery pack is made out of metal and it's pretty solid. It does have a clip on the back, but the clip is not like tight at all, so it's like not going to stay on anything. So it's kind of weird. I don't understand that. It does come with 2 pop filters in case I guess you lose one, and it also comes with a clip to put on your shirt. The clip is very strong and sturdy, and it has some pretty sharp teeth, so be careful with that. It may snag your clothes as well, so keep that in mind. One odd thing that I noticed with this is that when power was off and it was plugged into a device that didn't need power like the phone or the computer, and then you turn power on, it opens Siri and it turned off the recording. Kind of weird. Another thing to note is that because it goes into the headphone jack on your phone or computer, you can't hear anything that's played back until you unplug the microphone because it thinks it's a pair of headphones. Another thing they include in the box, because we get a ton of stuff, is this adapter. You can plug it in to a full-size guitar amp plug. It's really handy for a Zoom recorder. Mine does have a 3.5mm audio jack, but if you want to use a 1/4" plug, you can also do that as well. So it comes with the converter that you need, so wherever or however you want to use this, you can, which is really nice. Pricing on this is pretty cheap, not that expensive, and I'd say for the price this is a pretty good deal. I think it sounds decent. It doesn't sound as crisp and clear or as full as some of my other microphones. Somewhat muffled at times and a little tinny as well, but really for the price you can't expect much, and it really does work on every single device that I've ever tested it on. I had my doubts that it would even work on this, but it did somehow, so that's really awesome. And overall, I'm a big fan of this microphone. If you are interested in checking it out, I'll leave a link to it in the description below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.